Here are 21 money-making ideas for teenagers. Number 1. Assist younger children. It's time to put your book smarts to the test if you've excelled in a particular subject. Many parents look everywhere for a tutor who can assist their child in passing a class. If you have expertise in a specific area, let your neighbors know about it. Simply ask around to see if any local parents require a tutor for their children. If you want to generate more interest, you can also put up posters around town. As you begin to receive calls from potential clients, make sure to consult with your parents before scheduling a meeting. Number 2, provide landscaping and lawn care services. Many people are either too busy or unwilling to maintain their lawns. It's a time-consuming job that can turn into a lucrative business. One simple service to provide is lawn mowing. Planting garden beds, weeding flower gardens, raking leaves, cleaning up after their dog, and watering any landscaping in their yard are all options. Use your imagination to come up with unique lawn designs based on lawns in your area. Number 3, car wash. Automobiles can be a significant financial investment. Many people do not have enough time to clean their cars. Starting a neighborhood car washing service, especially during the summer, could be a great idea. If you bring your services to the customer, you will be able to charge more. You should be able to take your services anywhere as long as the customer has access to a water spigot. Bring soap, rags, and any other cleaning supplies you may need. Number 4, take care of children. Babysitting is a common source of income for teenagers. Family friends are a good place to start when it comes to babysitting. If you do a good job, they will spread the word throughout the neighborhood. As a dependable babysitter, you might be surprised at how much money you can make. A typical rate is at least $10 per hour plus an additional $3 per child. In addition, most parents feed the babysitter. Number 5, offer snow removal services. Snow can be a big business if you live in a cold climate. People are notorious for avoiding to clear snow from their driveways at all costs. You can capitalize on this need by offering to shovel driveways. Set up a regular client rotation so you don't run out of snow to shovel. Number 6, create a blog. A blog can be a fun way to supplement your income. You can write about anything that interests you on your blog. Blogging is not a simple way to make money, but it can be fun. It may take several months before your blog generates any revenue, but once it does, it can be a lucrative source of income. Prepare to produce new content on a regular basis for a growing audience. Number 7, start a business in photography or video editing. Are you a pro at photographing or editing videos? Many people are looking for your services all of the time. You can offer to photograph an event or edit photos that the client has taken. Video editing is a lot like that. This is a fantastic opportunity to hone your skills while also earning money. Number 8, work as a DJ. Although purchasing equipment may require some initial capital, becoming a DJ is a relatively simple process. And really fun. Consider how many parties are in desperate need of a DJ, like the ones you're having with your friends. If you can keep a party going smoothly, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. To begin your new job, distribute flyers and inform your friends. Number 9, watchman. Specialized training is required to become a lifeguard. It can be a lucrative income for a teenager if they pass the certification. Because they have so much responsibility, most lifeguards are paid more than minimum wage. Number 10, assist in minor league sports coaching. Coaching minor league sports can be a fun way to supplement your income. Many leagues are in desperate need of experienced coaches to mentor the next generation of players. You'll not only make some money, but you'll also be a role model for an entire team of little leaguers. It's possible that you'll have more fun than you think. Furthermore, the schedule is usually quite flexible. Number 11, get a job in a restaurant. Fast food and sit-down restaurants are always in need of additional personnel. Many businesses are looking for teenagers to work at the cash register or at the hostess table. Cook, busboy, waitress, and other positions could be available. You may earn minimum wage or have the opportunity to earn tips depending on the situation. In either case, you'll be able to add to your resume while earning money. Furthermore, most companies provide free or discounted food to their employees. Number 12, work in the retail industry. While retail work isn't always glamorous, it is a reliable source of income. Manning the cash register, stocking shelves, and conversing with customers are all common retail jobs. Customers were my least favorite aspect of working in retail when I was in my teens. However, it was a valuable learning experience for me to understand what I disliked about working life. Most retail jobs start at minimum wage and have room for advancement. Long-term employees may be eligible for tuition assistance from some companies. Consider looking into large corporations to see if they provide that benefit. When you leave for college, you might be able to transfer to a different store. Number 13, golf caddy. If you enjoy golf, becoming a golf caddy is an excellent choice. You can learn more about the game while carrying someone else's bag. It can be a fun way to meet new people in your neighborhood. Start by looking for golf clubs in your area and contacting them to inquire about job opportunities. Number 14, exercise at the gym. You might as well work out at the gym if you already spend the majority of your time there. As an employee, you will be able to use most gyms for free. You can not only save money on your gym membership, but you can also earn money. You don't have to stick to traditional gyms. Also, look into other sports facilities. I worked at the tennis center where I had played for years when I was in high school. It was a fun job where I got to work with people I already knew and liked spending time with. The majority of jobs in these centers are relatively undemanding, so it can be a gentle introduction to the demands of the workplace. Number 15, house sitting. When people leave town, they need someone to watch their house, just like they need someone to watch their pets. This could include things like getting the mail and watering the plants. While they are out of town, some clients prefer that you stay in their home. Others simply want you to drop by every few days. Family friends are the best place to start this business. As you gain confidence, use flyers and referrals to spread the word. Number 16, organize garages. If you have a knack for organizing, there are a lot of people who could use your help. You can help clean out overflowing garages in exchange for cash all over the United States. Set a fixed fee for your service. You could bill by the square foot or by the number of boxes you'll have to go through. Number 17, sit with your pet. Pet sitting services are required by many people for a variety of reasons. Pet sitting can be enjoyable whether they need someone to walk their dog in the afternoon or someone to watch their cat all week. If you enjoy animals, this is a great way to meet new ones while also earning money. Asking your neighbors, word of mouth, and local vet clinics are all good ways to find clients. Number 18, go to a farmer's market and sell your produce. Are you a fantastic baker? Consider setting up a vendor booth at a local farmer's market. You can hone your baking skills and share them with the community. You'll also have more control over your earnings. Instead of a steady paycheck, you'll learn how to run a business based on your baking abilities. Number 19, counselor at a summer camp. A camp counselor is a good option if you only have time to work during the summers. Throughout the summer, you'll be working with a diverse group of children. If you have a good group of kids, it can be a lot of fun. Number 20, working at a theme park. Even as a worker, theme parks can be a lot of fun. Although it will undoubtedly be laborious, working in a theme park may be more enjoyable. Furthermore, many theme parks provide benefits to their employees, such as free admission. 21. Teach children to code. Coding is an important skill to have. If you already know how to code, you can make a lot of money teaching younger children how to code. For their children to learn this skill, many parents are willing to pay top dollar.